Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rizwan Dian. Today I'll be talking about money can't buy happiness. Personally, I think money can't buy happiness, but money can also buy happiness. What I really mean by that is happiness does not only come from relationships or love, but money also comes from comfort, security, and peace of mind. Money can also motivate us, which can make us happy as well. And money can indirectly make us happy because we always work for money. Everyone you see, someone wants to be a programmer, someone wants to be a businessman. For what? They all want to earn money. So money can directly or indirectly make us happy. For example, a poor person cannot be happy if he does not have food on his plate. He is hungry, he's anxious, he's stressed on where will he get the money. A person in debt is never happy because they are always stressed on where will they earn the money back. Money can also not buy us happiness because when we go to some hospitals, we can see many rich people laying in beds in ICU in NICU, but they cannot get well because in when it comes to our health, money cannot always make us happy. Money can buy us medicine, money can buy us treatment, but it does not guarantee a good health. Money cannot buy us love or relationship. Something that a human truly desires is relationship with their parents, with other humans, or human interaction. Our brain works in a weird way. We desire what we want. We need some basic things like human interaction, love, or relationship. Without this, a human brain can go insane. So money cannot buy us relationship. If you do not have money, your wife, your children, or even your parents may disrespect you. You will not earn the respect from them. So money cannot always buy us happiness, but it does buy us peace. It does buy us comfort. It does buy us security. It does relieve us from stress and anxiety. So tell me, my friend, what do you think? Can money buy happiness or not?